How to fix the YouTube TV error code 99999 error. So the occurrence of this error may stem from various factors, including network connectivity issues, service interruptions, or device-specific glitches. So understanding the root cause is pivotal to resolving this issue effectively. So we have four solutions for you to try in order to fix this error. The first one is to restart your device. So just go ahead and power off, turn off your device by unplugging it from the supports, or just turn it off by shutting it down. Wait for a few minutes for the device to completely power down, and then power it back on and retry to check the fix. 2 is to check your network connection. PC, just go ahead here and right click and go to settings to see that. So you can also restart your connection by just turning it off. You can also test the connection by verifying if the network connection is stable. So if you want to test your connection, just go ahead and search for Mbps speed test. So just go ahead and press on start and you should be able to see your connection if it's stable or not. The next is to just update your YouTube TV app. So just go to the App Store, search for the YouTube TV app and press update if an update is available. So then you can proceed to update the launch on YouTube TV to see if the error is now gone. And finally is to just reset your device. So if you have a factory reset option, you can access the device settings to initiate a factory reset. Confirm, allow the device to reset to its default settings. Then you can reconfigure the device settings and relaunch YouTube TV. Note that this is a sort of last resort, so be careful of doing this last option. But hopefully the others or the other solutions does help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.